Hello, how are you, my dear students? I hope you're fine, I hope you're healthy. This is my second video. It is about grammar unit 9, F third conditional. Let's get started. So let's get started from here. As you see, we have a picture here, and the woman is angry. She's saying to her son, if you had studied hard, you wouldn't have failed your exam. So my question is, why is mother angry? Can you guess? Yes, mother is angry because her son didn't study well. That's why he passed or failed. Yes, he failed the exam. How is he feeling now, the boy? The boy is feeling sorry for not studying hard. This is the action of studying. It didn't happen in the past. That's why we use the third conditional F. As you see, F plus had plus past participle, and the second sentence would have plus the past participle. This is our new type of F. So we use the third conditional F when we talk about something in the past that didn't happen. Between brackets, regret. Regret means feeling sorry. Lovely. Let's see more examples here. If you had studied hard, you wouldn't have failed the exam. This is the example we talk with the picture. If we had taken your advice, we could have arrived on time. So the question is, did they take the advice? No. So this is the action which didn't happen. That's why they couldn't have arrived on time. Exactly. I might have bought the car if I had had enough money. So the question is, did he buy the car? No. Did he have enough money to buy it? No. So the two actions didn't happen in the past. That's why we use the third conditional. So how can we form or make the structure of F here? What comes after F? As you see, the past participle, which is had plus past participle. This is a past perfect. Then we write the comma. Then we write another sentence. Would or could or might plus have plus past participle. This is how we make the structure of F. It's time for more exercise. Let's take number 1. If the holiday had been longer, we space it better. What do you think, my dear students? How do you think about this sentence? We have had been after if, so this is the past participle with had. So the second should be yes, might have enjoyed. Exactly. Number 2, if we had lived near each other, we space more often. The same, it becomes easier. Yeah, so the right answer is could have met. Number 3, I might have bought some flowers if I space some. If I, what comes after F here? Yeah, if I had seen. Number 4, if you space me about your problem, I would have helped you. If you had told me. Exactly. Super. Number 5, we might have gone to the zoo if the weather space nice. What's the answer is had been. Exactly. Now let's do more exercise. Number 1, Dina went to bed late so she overslept. Use F, and here is a piece of advice for you. Please change the sentences which are negative to positive and vice versa. So we have two positive sentences here. We would change them to negative, right? So if Dina hadn't gone to bed late, she wouldn't have overslept. So we use the third conditional because we have two actions didn't happen in the past. So Dina went to bed late, so she overslept, right? So if Dina hadn't gone to bed late, she wouldn't have overslept. Number 2, you forgot the map, so we lost our way. If you hadn't forgotten the map, we wouldn't have lost our way. You see the changes we have made. So what comes after if here? If you hadn't forgotten, this is what I told you before, changes the positive into negative sentences, right? So if you hadn't, what comes after if here? The past participle with had. If you had forgot the map, we wouldn't have lost. We used would have plus the past participle. Muhammad couldn't play the match because he was ill. So how can we use F here? Can you think? If Muhammad hadn't been ill, he would have played the match. If you see he was ill is a positive sentence, it comes down a negative one. You see? And Muhammad couldn't play the match, it's a negative. We see it down, it is like a positive sentence. I noticed the mistake when I checked the figures. Use F. How can we use F here? If I hadn't checked the figures, I wouldn't have noticed the mistake. So these are 4 examples. Please study them very well. And you have more examples in the worksheets. You can check them all. It's time now for phonology part. When we speak English, we connect words together, right? So we speak faster. We don't say would have done, but we say, can you say it quickly? Would have done, would have done. Exactly. Might have done. How can we say it faster? Might have done, might have done. Super. Could have done. How can we say it quickly? Could have done, could have done. That's amazing. And today's message for you, read it very well, listen to it very well, because it's really important. School is important, but so is your health. Take care of yourself and each other, and no matter what happens this year, be proud of yourself, your resilience, and your ability to adapt to extreme circumstances. I'm proud of each and every one of you.